So oftentimes what you also may want to do is you may want to go ahead and edit out your PDF file content. So to do that, you can go ahead onto ILovePDF.com, and then what you can do is you can go to Edit PDF right here and select out the PDF file that you want to go ahead and edit. So for example, I have opened up this particular let's say option that is PDF editor. And if I were to go ahead and select proposal right here, then what happens is that the PDF editor opens up. So here you can see that I got annotate mode and I got edit mode right here, which is a premium feature. So if you want to go ahead and save changes and use all the features, you do need a premium subscription for it. But once you go ahead onto edit mode, you can see that I can go ahead and access out the outline and the bookmark right here just like this. I can access out the layers as well as I want. And then you basically got all of the contents right here just like this. So under the edit right here, you can see that I can go for annotation as well, which gives me annotation tools to go ahead and add in content as I like. I can go ahead and add in shapes as I like right here, just like this. I can go ahead and insert out, let's say, for example, pictures and everything else right here, just like this as well. So you can go around over here and resize this out right here and place it wherever you want. So that is what you have. So now as you were to go ahead and select, this is what you have. So now if I were to go to edit text right here, you can see that I can actually go ahead and change around the text as I like right here. That is the existing text of the document. You can simply go ahead and change it out as you like right here, just like this. You can go around over here and erase out the content. Even select this out, and then you can go ahead right here and change around, let's say, for example, the color of this. So you can go ahead and select this out right here just like this, and then you can go around and add in custom color of this right here. Press OK right here just like this. So this is what you have, and you can go ahead and then, let's say, for example, select these out as you want as well. So you can see that you can go ahead and change out the color, and apart from that, you got form options as well. So you can go around and add in text fields right here, and then, let's say, for example, tick marks, radio buttons as you like right here, and change around the settings of it right here as well, so that you got an interactive PDF as well. So by making all of these changes right here, you can actually go ahead and change out, edit out the options as you like right here, just like this. So you can see that there's settings for the forms as well and so forth. So let's just go ahead right here, and as you save it, you can see that it actually asks you for the premium version right here. So you cannot go ahead and directly export it out. You do need premium version to go ahead and export out anything. But anyways, this is how you can go ahead and basically edit out the PDF content as you want by using the edit mode right here, which allows you to go ahead and then make changes to the content. You can go ahead and drag this out, as you can see right here. So you can go ahead right here and, let's say, for example, drag this out as you want. You can go ahead and, let's say, for example, change out the color right here as you want right here. You can go ahead and select out let's say, for example, the color right here just like this. So you can go around over here, select out the color of the text and so forth, and edit it out as you want. So that is basically how you can go ahead and edit out PDF contents as you need inside of ILovePDF. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.